Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare creatine monohydrate versus hydrochloride. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular forms of creatine. Understanding their unique properties will help you decide which one best suits your fitness goals and preferences. Let's dive into the science behind each to see how they impact performance and absorption. Creatine monohydrate is renowned for its proven efficacy in increasing muscle creatine stores. It typically involves a loading phase of 20 grams daily for 5 to 7 days, followed by a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams. This form is widely available, affordable, and has extensive research supporting its benefits for strength and power. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: if you're serious about your fitness goals, meal prep is key. These leak-proof containers make it super easy to organize your healthy meals for the week. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and ready to go. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Creatine hydrochloride, or HCl, boasts enhanced solubility, which may lead to less gastrointestinal discomfort for some individuals. Due to its improved absorption, a lower dose, often 1 to 2 grams daily, is typically recommended without a loading phase. Many users also report experiencing less water retention compared to monohydrate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.